Hello! It has been such a long time since I picked up my phone to do a vlog. You guys can hear sleeping dogs in the background. It never stops. They're always snoring. I haven't been filming in here since I moved in, so you guys haven't seen my living room or really any of the house before we moved in and started decorating. So I'm gonna show you a little bit of it today. You can see the living room in the background, the hallway, and we're gonna be decorating a little bit in here because I have this wall behind me, that like empty wall right there. I want to turn that into a gallery wall. I got a whole bunch of pictures from Decor, which is this online poster store. They have a huge selection of pictures and they actually sent me a bunch that we can hang up. And I also have some frames which I might spray paint some of them. We might like change the look of them a little bit. We'll see.
So if you guys want some really cool prints from Decor, they're currently offering their best discount of the year as part of their Black Friday sale. You can click the link in the description and use code SydMac for 55% off prints, personalized, excluded, and 10% off frames until November 28th. Thank you to Decor for sponsoring this video and sending me some cool prints.
I guess we can do a little tour before we go in and do that. So let's do it.
When we walk in, we have a huge window to the left, which obviously I'm not gonna be showing you guys.
Huge window is like my favorite part of this. Hey, there is a dog outside. Hey you. Hey, tough girl. Stop it.
Anyway, I started doing a little bit of decorating for the holidays over here. So I have some garland, which I got from Amazon. It has the lights like built into it, which I thought was really cute. We never really had a lot of room to decorate before.
Like in our apartment, we had a Christmas tree and it barely fit into the corner of our living room before. I'm taking every opportunity. It's currently November like 11th or 12th. 11th.
I have this chair over here I got from Wayfair. The only piece of art really that we brought from the apartment is this one here. I don't really remember where I got that. I really want to get a lamp to put behind the chair back there so it's not so empty. So far, this is my little holiday display. I have these really cute little house things that I love. They have a light inside them. They're like battery powered and I bought 2 of them because I thought they looked pretty. Our actual fireplace, which I was so excited about, doesn't work.
We literally just had the 3rd person come to our house to confirm that the fireplace is dead and doesn't work and it's broken. One of the disadvantages to renting is you have to go through like a million people to get anything done. Then over here next to the other sleeping baby, we've got our bookshelf. Tons of stuff on here, a lot of like older books that we brought from both of our houses before we moved in. We also have our record collection down below. Some of them were mine when I brought them in here. The snores. I did keep some of the Halloween clutter out here because I just personally love the way that it looks. And I got these like really cute crystals recently. I think they're so beautiful. There was like a cloud and a moon shape, so I'm really trying to get my crystal collection going. I used to collect them as a kid, but they were so expensive and my parents couldn't afford to buy me a bunch of crystals. So it's kind of been a dream for me to have like a big crystal collection one day. Got some books down here. I'm currently reading these 2. I really got back into reading recently. I have a whole bunch that I've like got on the back burner too. So we're reading this one, which is a little bit scandalous, I won't lie. And we got this one, which is like a self-help kind of thing. 101 essays that'll change the way you think. All about that. Like, please just take my brain and rearrange it, please. Yeah, that empty wall space over there to the right is where I want to be putting the gallery wall. It's just really empty. I feel like it could use it. We've got some of our Christmas decor up there for now. I have this trunk right here, which is where my pictures are currently, and all our shoes from going outside. Sorry. We actually got this trunk at a thrift store though. Actually, it was a flea market. We got this thing from a flea market. This lady gave it to me for like kind of cheap. And it's so cool. It's so old looking. It like opens and closes. It's fully functional. And here are the pictures I was talking about from Decor. They sent me a whole bunch of like frames and everything and I got to pick some of my prints. And there are like some funky ones in here. I have 6 of them and I'm really hoping that this is gonna turn out. I tried to go for like some colorful ones too, so I'm really excited to put those up. I guess we can actually show you like the rest of the house. So down the hallway, we have these really cute pictures here. This collage of me and Chris. We love taking Polaroids whenever we go traveling. So this wall is just like Polaroids and pictures we've collected over the years. We've got the bathroom, nothing too crazy. Everything is like kind of clean right now. We had to clean a little bit for like the guy that came here to stare at the fireplace that doesn't work. We have our kitchen in here, which I've put the garland up there again. Also from Amazon. I got the same one as in the living room. And this bar card is actually new. We picked this up off the side of the road and it was like this green color. I think I have a picture I can like show you. We washed it and everything. We spray painted it gold and brought it in the house because we're hosting for Christmas. Like we're having people like friends, family over for Christmas, and thought it would be kind of cool to like roll out. It's a little big for in here, but this is kind of a temporary living situation. We're probably only gonna be here for maybe like another year. So we're thinking we can probably bring it with us whenever we like leave here. But the kitchen is actually so weird because it's just like in a door, like it's kind of in its own room. And then the living room is obviously like that way, but it definitely is a little strangely located in the house. Down there we have laundry. We have my boyfriend's office over to the left. Is it messy in here? I mean, it's not that bad. Sometimes we eat in here. We've got our bedroom in there. I'm literally just gonna show you the dog bed because it's probably so messy. And for some reason, the bedroom is like the last room that we ever decorate. So we still have a whole bunch of things we need to buy for the bedroom. In time, I'm sure.
My office is under construction, so...
Okay. This side, this is where you see in like my Sims videos on my other channel. This is where the background is. That's usually kept like pretty clean, mostly because I don't ever like use anything on it really. I definitely have ADHD, which explains a lot of the clutter and the mess sometimes, but it also explains my need to start so many projects that never get finished. I'm gonna show you one of them right now. These are meant to be panels that are gonna go on the wall. I've finished some of them. They're meant to go like back there eventually. I'm gonna like work the neon into the flower wall. And it's gonna be really cool, but for now they're just sitting there. This project I started maybe like a month ago and honestly haven't really made much progress on it ever since I brought them home. Just waiting for that need to have that hobby spike again, you know what I mean? So I think first thing we can do is probably put them in the frame. I'm gonna take all the pictures out, we're gonna unwrap all the frames, and we'll put them in first. Got all of them in their frames, and I kind of laid them out on the ground just so I have a bit of an idea of what they're gonna look like when they're on the wall. I'm actually thinking I might like switch some of the pink ones to like go down there. I think this is gonna look cute. We also tried to match like the colors of our records on the wall, so I think it's gonna match. What do you think, Ari?
I had a few projects going while creating the gallery wall, most involving my latest obsession, spray paint. So I found these huge vases from this restaurant that I was at. They were literally gonna throw them out, and I was like, no, I'll take them. So I started painting the bottoms gold, and I wasn't planning on going any further until the too much gene took over, and you'll see at the end of the video.
Yeah!
So after hanging all the pictures and spray painting some of the frames to match, this is what the gallery turned out like so far. I took some of the white frames and spray painted them gold and rose gold. I also had to stray from my original plan a little bit, but I think it turned out anyway. I also painted this coat rack gold to match the decor, and now it feels like there's actually something happening in this corner. I'm also slowly adding more Christmas stuff over here, and with the lights, it just looks so cozy at nighttime now. And this over here is the outcome of my spray paint addiction. Here's the vase I was working on. It's now completely rose gold. Do I regret it? Not yet, but I'll keep you posted.
So that has been my house tour. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm definitely gonna do another one of these eventually. We've only lived here for a couple months, so we still have a really long way to go with like a lot of the rooms in this house. I hope you guys enjoyed the gallery wall as well. I will link Desenio down below if you guys want to check them out, see where I got those prints. And thank you again to Desenio for sending me all of those posters so that we could put together this video and make that gallery wall. I never know how to end these. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time I feel like posting on this channel. Bye!